The Shanay-Timpishka, also famously known as the Boiling River, is a remarkable natural wonder hidden deep within the heart of the Peruvian Amazon. Located in the Huánuco region of central Peru, this mystical river flows through the high jungle of Shanay-Timpishka, a sanctuary protected by Ashaninka communities. Unlike most hot springs around the world, which are heated by nearby active volcanoes, the Shanay-Timpishka is unique because there are no active volcanic systems anywhere near the region. It stretches for over 6 kilometers, reaching widths of up to 25 meters and depths of nearly 5 meters, making it the largest thermal river system documented on Earth. For centuries, the river was considered a myth outside of local indigenous folklore. The name Shanay-Timpishka translates to "boiled with the heat of the sun" in the local Ashaninka language. Indigenous traditions speak of the river as a place of immense spiritual power, guarded by the Yakamama, a giant mythical serpent spirit known as the Mother of the Waters. Local shamans have long used the river's thermal waters, steam, and surrounding medicinal plants for healing rituals, spiritual cleansings, and traditional medicine, treating the site with deep reverence and keeping its exact location a secret from the outside world for generations. The river was brought to global scientific attention in 2011 by geoscientist Andrés Ruzzo. As a child, Ruzzo had heard legends of a river that boiled its enemies alive, told to him by his grandfather. Years later, while completing his doctoral studies in geophysics, he decided to investigate if such a phenomenon could actually exist without volcanic activity. Despite skepticism from colleagues and experts who insisted a boiling river of that scale required massive volcanic heat, Ruzzo tracked it down with the help of his aunt and local guides, initiating the first systematic scientific study of the site. The water temperature of the Shanay-Timpishka is incredibly high, ranging from 45 degrees Celsius to nearly 100 degrees Celsius. At its hottest points, the water is actively boiling, releasing thick plumes of steam into the dense rainforest canopy. The heat is so intense that the surrounding air can feel like a sauna, and walking too close to the edge without caution can result in severe third-degree burns within seconds. The extreme temperature creates a highly dangerous environment for any living creature that accidentally falls into the current. The phenomenon that powers this boiling river is entirely hydrothermal. Rainwater falls onto the Andes Mountains and seeps deep into the Earth's crust through a complex network of faults and fractures. As the water travels deep underground, it is heated by the Earth's natural geothermal gradient, which increases in temperature the closer it gets to the planet's mantle. The water becomes highly pressurized as it superheats, eventually finding a path back up to the surface through deep fault lines, emerging as boiling artesian springs that feed the Shanay-Timpishka and heat the entire river. This extreme environment has given rise to unique biological discoveries. Astrobiologists and geneticists studying the river have found new species of extremophile microbes that thrive in the scalding waters. These microorganisms possess unique adaptations and proteins that prevent their cellular structures from breaking down at temperatures that would instantly kill most other life forms. The study of these extremophiles provides valuable insights into how life might evolve or survive on other planets with harsh, high-temperature conditions. Tragically, any macroorganism that ends up in the river faces an immediate threat to survival. Small animals like frogs, lizards, and rodents frequently fall into the water from the overhanging jungle branches. Scientists observing the river have documented that these animals lose their ability to swim almost instantly as the heat overwhelms their nervous systems. The water quickly cooks the animal from the inside out, turning their eyes milky white as the proteins coagulate, making the river a natural, deadly trap for local wildlife. Today, the Shanay-Timpishka faces severe environmental threats from human activity. The surrounding rainforest is under constant pressure from illegal logging, cattle ranching, and gas exploration, which destroy the delicate ecosystem and threaten the river's water quality. Because the river is not fully protected by national park status, its survival depends heavily on the conservation efforts of the indigenous communities and ecotourism initiatives that aim to preserve the jungle. Protecting this hydrothermal marvel is crucial for future scientific research and cultural preservation.